Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready and connected. Make sure the Android TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works. Next, enable the TV's built-in casting or screen mirroring option in settings. This lets it accept incoming streams. On your phone or tablet, open Quick Settings or Display Cast to begin scanning. Once you see the TV name, tap it. The devices will negotiate a connection so the display can be shared securely. Once you tap the TV name, you'll often get a pairing prompt on the television. Accept it to establish trust. After connection, make sure to tweak resolution and audio in the source device's cast settings so video fits the screen and sound plays through TV speakers. If you plan to mirror an app, use the app's built-in cast control where available. This usually reduces lag and preserves quality. Also, keep the source device near the router to maintain bandwidth and avoid dropouts. To end a session, stop casting from Quick Settings or select a different input on the TV. This cleanly releases resources. If you can't connect, try a simple restart of router, Android TV, and your phone, network, or software hiccups clear frequently that way. Make sure both devices run the latest firmware and OS. Updates often fix compatibility bugs. If issues persist, switch Wi-Fi bands or use an HDMI adapter as a fallback. One key tip: temporary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.